Jeep Mama's top 5 routine maintenance tips. These are my top 5 routine maintenance tips to help keep your vehicle lasting longer. But please note that each vehicle has different maintenance schedule specifications. These can vary based on whether or not you use your Jeep for towing as well. So please refer to your owner's manual for the details of your specific vehicle. These are some general guidelines to help you maximize the life of your Jeep. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles to get even wear so you can get the most life out of them. Check them for odd wear patterns, which may indicate an alignment problem or a problem with your steering components wearing out. While your tires are off for rotation, make sure you check your brake shoe and rotor thickness. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or less. 3,000 miles if you're not using synthetic oil. When changing your oil on a 3.6-liter Pentastar engine, do not over-tighten the oil filter cap. It can crack the oil cooler housing, which typically costs about $1,000 to repair. That's what happened to mine. The spec is 25 Newton meters of torque maximum, or about 18 foot-pounds of torque. Change your transmission fluid, transfer case fluid, and differential fluid every 30,000 miles. Check your coolant level both on the overflow bottle and a cold radiator. Do not remove this radiator cap when it's hot, as boiling coolant could come spraying out. If you need to add coolant, be sure to only add the exact same coolant that is already in the system. Mixing the wrong kind of coolant can cause the 2 different coolants to form a gel in the coolant system over the course of a couple days, which will damage the water pump and would be an expensive, awful mess to clean up. Don't forget to check your belts and hoses. When the engine is cool, squeeze the hoses with your thumb and forefinger near the clamps. Feel for soft or mushy spots. A good hose will have a firm yet pliant feel. Also, look for cracks, nicks, or bulges in the hoses. For the belts, look for cracks, fraying, splits, and even small chunks missing. And don't forget, every time you get off the trail and before you hit the trail, visually inspect your suspension components and make sure you grease what needs to be greased. Following a good, it's thunder and lightning. Following a good routine maintenance schedule is going to help increase the life of your vehicle and decrease the chances of having a problem out on those trails. If you don't want to miss any more of my how-tos or my top 5 tips, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, head over to my blog at jeepmama.com.